Luke Kenziorski here with another edition of What's Luke Up To? Well, I'm sitting down here at one of our commercial buildings in downtown Park Ridge. For those of you who don't know where that is, it's 1512 Washington Avenue, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37917, United States, Earth, Milky Way, Universe. And today we're going to talk about paint. Had a couple of clients this week talk to me about painting their exterior of their house, getting ready to sell it, or just maintenance items. But as I see it, there are 3, sometimes 4 P's to painting. I call it the P. So number 1, the first P, pressure wash. As you can see, this exterior is pretty sparkling clean. That's because we pressure washed the entire thing, got off all the loose paint chips, got off the cobwebs, got the neighborhood kids' gum off the wall. You don't want to be painting over that because it's eventually going to fall off anyway. Number 1, pressure wash. Number 2, prep. As you can see, we've got these windows all taped up, all plasticed up. That way we don't have to clean them afterwards and make a huge mess out of it. Take some time prepping. Cover the floors, cover anything that you don't want to be painted. Number 2, prep. Number 3, patience. Painting is a finesse game. There's no rush to it. If you rush, you think it can be quick, then you get streaks in your paint, then your wall looks like garbage. You get paint all over your flower beds, you get paint over yourself, you get paint on the neighborhood kid. You just don't want to do that anymore. Take some time, be patient with it. That's P number 3. Now P number 4 is pay somebody to do it. Why not? These professionals know what they're doing. They're very, very good at what they do. Pay them, pay a little bit of money, get it done right. That way it looks fantastic when you're done with it. And it gets done. That's the 3, sometimes 4 P's of paint. Now speaking of P, I'm going to go to the bar now because it's Friday and it's late and it's hot and I'm thirsty. So why not?